If you've been looking for a Hostinger discount code, you came on the right video. Just click the link in my description or scan the QR code on your screen.
And it will redirect you to the Hostinger page. Here, you can see on the top that the referral code is applied, so it means it all works. You are eligible for the 20% discount. So no matter which country you are watching this video from or which kind of plan you need, my coupon code will give you 20% off on every kind of plan. When we go at the checkout of any plan, here you can see that I get a 20% discount, plus I get 3 months extra, daily backup, and a free domain name. So it's a great offer right now, and all of these things come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's not a better time than this to try a new hosting platform. Hostinger is the best choice because you get incredibly fast speeds, near-perfect uptime, and 24/7 support to keep your site running smoothly no matter what. It also features a super easy-to-use H-panel and automated weekly or daily backups, making website management completely effortless even for beginners. So don't wait. Make sure to check the link in the description right now to claim your exclusive discount and lock in these extra bonuses.